You're gonna get sued, dude.
Warning, shoots flaming balls.
You're gonna get sued.
Alright. Oh, there we go. Holy crap! That's right over us! That's right over us!
Hey Joey, bring your chair over here. Because then you can see him better, okay? Yeah, honey, you can go in.
Come on, continue with the firework. Oh, there we go.
Let Julia sit by you. You can leave your phone at home.
Oh, yeah, baby. Sweet. Why are you scared? It evaporates in the air.
It's okay, babe. It's okay, honey.
Yeah. Oh! Holy man! That's coming pretty close here. I'm standing back. Time to play a game. Oh, there we go.
Joe dropped one of his. Go give that to your brother. Oh, he got it. You coming, Joey?
It's like a little fountain.
Got it? Okay. Julia doesn't want the orange one. Will you hang on to the orange one for Corinne?
Probably should have set that on top.
Dang.
I got the. Oh, there we go. Well, I got the bleacher seat, so it's all like coming out good for. Joe's lighting it, so. That's going right over.